San Mateo County has one of the largest Tongan populations outside the Polynesian islands, roughly 60,000 people. Community members here are worried for their loved ones. NBC Bay Area's Thom Jensen reports.
We weren't able to reach anyone at the Tongan consulate here in this Burlingame office building, either by phone or in person today, but with tens of thousands of people in the community living in this area and with a blackout across all of the islands, they're likely going to get very busy in the coming days. At Tokamoana Foods in Redwood City, members of the Tongan community are only hearing bits of news coming out of Tonga.
A lot of devastation. There's a lot of fear right now.
Michelle Thomas's grandmother is safe in Fiji, but she worries about extended family, friends, and the people of Tonga. There's just no communications at all right now.
The eruptions have gotten so bad where the internet connection is out. I read that there's also no way to radio in either.
There are a few videos circulating showing water rushing through towns and this church, but the Tongan community can tell by the satellite images and the descriptions of earthquakes and tsunamis that the devastation will likely be widespread.
It was pretty sad.
A sad conversation yesterday for Tavita Maile, who was able to talk to family on the main island before the eruption and the tsunami hit. Have you been in communication with anybody over there today?
Only yesterday. Before the internet off.
They already knew it was going to go.
Yeah.
What were they saying?
Even scared. Yeah, really scared.
Another fear facing communities is what will happen when hundreds, possibly thousands of people come to Tonga for recovery efforts. Worries that COVID will grab a foothold in vulnerable and largely unvaccinated populations.
And Tonga was one of the very few countries that didn't experience COVID until recently, I believe. And so I think there's a lot of conversation around it and just trying to figure out what the best step for our people is.
Michelle Thomasesi said the restaurant is eager to hear from any survivors as soon as they can to find out how they can help with donations. She said she knows that they'll definitely be needing food, fresh water, and clothes, and probably monetary donations in the coming days as they start to rebuild. In Burlingame, Thom Jensen, NBC Bay Area News.